Hello, my name's Tron with Autotektronics. We're an automotive GM instrument gauge repair service center. Does your vehicle have gauge problems? Speedometer displays incorrectly? Or has it stopped working completely? Tachometer needles stick, jump, or pegs? Fuel gauge flutters, or even an entire instrument panel failure? Autotektronics can help. After we receive a gauge cluster, our $99 fees include any single gauge repair on that cluster, and during the same repair, the price per other gauge rebuilds costs $15 per gauge. Autotektronics rebuilt gauges comes with a lifetime part warranty and a 1-year labor guarantee. Our trained professional experts can repair your gauge cluster to perform like new. There are 2 locations in Orange and Riverside County where you can bring your vehicle by appointment only. The repair process takes a little over an hour. If you live in California and within our listed counties, we have a mobile service that can come to your home for a nominal fee. If you live outside the state, a free removal instructional guide and phone tech service is available to enable easy removal and shipping to us. The shipping costs are around $10, and the return shipping is free. If more information is needed beyond the frequently asked questions, please feel free to contact us, and thank you for allowing us to be of service, and have a nice day.